Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing a 10 lines speech on education. Number 1. Good morning everyone. Number 2. My name is Aryan Khan. Number 3. Today I want to talk about education. Number 4. Education is very important. Number 5. It helps us learn new things. Number 6. We go to school to get an education. Number 7. Teachers help us understand the world. Number 8. Education makes us smarter. Number 9. It helps us achieve our dreams. Number 10. Together we can make a brighter future through education. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.